If you're like me, you're excited when Spotify announced group sessions, giving you the ability to listen together in real time. And if you're here, you are confused about how to actually do that. I'm noticing quite a few tutorials online missing a few steps, so I'm hoping to correct that. First, you want to open Spotify and just play a song. Then select this button here and take a photo of this screen right here, a screen capture. I'm not going to tell you how to do that because many phones, many tablets are different. Look it up. I'm sure it won't be a hard search for that. Now here's the step that I think is missing from most people. While the music is playing, send that screenshot to the email address of your choice, to whomever is going to be listening. So with the image open, take the other device that's going to be listening on Spotify and push that same button in the corner. Push scan to join. And then scan the other email, and now you're listening. But wait, it's not playing. It's silent. You've lied to me. Okay, hang on. The last step you'll need to do, on the phone that you're listening to, push this phone, and now it's playing. Two phones synced up together. Wow, the future is now. I hope you found this useful. I am not promoting this YouTube channel. I am, however, making a show with my brother about D&D. It's called Risky Prospects. Follow it on Instagram. Have a great day.